Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 33. How to add action extension. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to add action extension, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, select all campaigns and then select campaigns. Select one campaign from the list. Now select ads and extensions and click on extensions from the top. Now click on View Site Link Extensions button and select action extensions from the list. Then click on Create Add Extension button. Here we have only one available action extension. You can edit it from here or add new ones by clicking on this Add New Action Extension link. Here to add new action extension you need to enter your language, select action text from this list, then enter URLs and click on Save button. When you click on this Edit button of this action extension, the edit window will open and here also you need to enter your language, action text and URLs. Close it and once done, click on this Save button. So this is how you can add action extension. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 34. How to add FAQ extension. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to add FAQ extension, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.